At the Gilmore Car Museum today, it's Ford Model A days. This one here is a 1930 Ford AA truck. This one here has a dump box on it, but it's not hydraulic. This is a mechanical dump. Try and read what this tag says. Rotating power dump. I don't see any power unit in there, but I can definitely see the gear underneath there to be able to crank this thing and have it dump. We don't need any taillights. We'll just put that one up on the cab and call it good enough. This thing's a definite survivor. Little damage on the fender, just from doing its job. What a cool piece of history.